Yes guys, and today this is what we're doing. We outdoor. Today is a nice day, so we're doing some hamburgers. Yeah, check it out. Doing some hamburgers here. Ground beef. This guys, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna do some jerk chicken, Caribbean style. Yeah, so we're here working on my garage. Yes guys, so we're doing some hamburgers today. Yeah, pretty much simple, you know. Yeah, pretty much simple hamburgers we're doing today, guys. Yeah, check it out, guys. Hamburger ready. Hamburger
it's me,
cheese.
Mr. G.
Hamburger ready. See? Yes guys, that's how we do it. Here guys, we're gonna make some festival, Jamaican style festival right here. Here we got the oil, vegetable oil, and here we have the frying pan on the grill right here. Yes guys, we're putting on the chicken on the grill. This is the barbecue chicken right here. So we're making Jamaican barbecue chicken and Jamaican jerk chicken. So the jerk chicken is right here, guys. Just took it out of the oven. Yeah, check that out. Fresh jerk chicken, guys. Fresh jerk chicken. Look at that, guys. Looking beautiful, right? That's beautiful, gorgeous. Look at the jerk chicken, guys. What we did, we cook it in the oven first. Then we throw it on the grill. Cook it in the oven for like 30 minutes. Then we put it on the jerk pan. Look at it, guys. Looking beautiful. Gorgeous. See, guys, frying the festival. Festival over here. Yeah. Soak the dough about 15 minutes. Festival frying slowly. Yeah, man, a blazing fire. See that, guys? Yeah,
Get the phone,
check that out. Yes, guys, check the festival out. Looking golden brown. Beautiful. That's the finished product, guys. Looking delicious, guys. Check it out. Festival Jamaican jerk chicken. Check it out. Beautiful. Some festival right there. Check out. Look at that color. Looking gorgeous, right, guys?